Welcome back to the channel. We've got a bad validator that we took out and sent in to American Changer, and they fix them. It's a couple $100, but it's cheaper than buying a new validator, and they'll just put new belts in it. They'll go through it and make it basically new. And other places repair validators too. You don't have to go to American Changer. And we keep some of these on hand because we're still coin store at half a dozen places. But we're mostly hybrid. 6 or 8 stores of ours have credit debit card readers and coin. We thought about trying the Dexter Pay. I don't know if you guys have used that at all, or what you've heard about that. And I know Hipsh and Speed Queen, they have an app. Have you guys have any of those app-based payment systems? Let me know what you think of those. 'Cause we're thinking about it. Get away from the coins. These belts are new. They go through all this. All this is like new. And I'll show you how to put it in if you don't know how to put these in. And as I'm sure you know, coin spillage under that tray. So we'll take that out and clean those coins up. Just 4 screws, that's all it is. Lift that up out of there. You can always check the screen. That's how you'll know first off the computer screen. It'll tell you what's going on with it if your changer doesn't work. Validator, no communication. That's because there's no validator in it. So there's 2 nuts there and 2 there. Fun one to get to. Then your stacker. Turn the power off. And you can do the same thing with the hoppers. The hopper's not working, you can send that in, have it rebuilt. See, there's a groove. You'll know if it's in there or not. And you gotta make sure you have enough coins in it for it to register that plate at the bottom. And we'll turn it on and test it. Listen for the validator to test. Aha. Gotta plug it in. Alright, let's stick a dollar bill in there. Perfect. Well, I hope that helps. I know it's a simple video, but when I was learning, I didn't know how to do this stuff. So, thanks again for watching.